For this video, papakita namin sa inyo kung paano nagbabaha sa Canada.
Nagtunaw na yung snow.
So you'll see
Selena,
like yan yung paddles,
Kuya.
And they really
Okay,
love
let's go
playing
now.
paddles. So that's after
Ayaw pa nila umalis.
This is at Terwilliga Recreation Center. And then this one, Selena is playing paddles sa harap ng bahay. So yung nilalakaran lang, yun lang yung walang yelo. Pero so yun, nagtunaw na siya.
Dami.
Pero yung garden, ayan
Hap.
pa, punong-puno
Ano
pa
sabi
siya
ng bunny?
yelo.
Ano sabi ng bunny?
Selena's around like 2 years old here. This is like mga February of 2022.
Oh, careful. Careful ka dyan.
Ayan. Look at you. And then look here. So nakapang winter jacket pa rin naman siya, naka-boots din siya. So parang malinis na baha.
Saan ka punta?
Good luck naman sa akin dyan. Like, laging basain mga boots niyan every time. Look, you really love playing ice, no?
Say hi ka nga.
Yay!
Hi!
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 Did you say hi? I think you
What's
say
your
hi
name?
because mommy said say hi.
Yes, Selena. How old are you?
Mommy.
Anong mommy? Can you say I love you? You. Oy, huwag mo akong batuhin. School bus na duma. Mahilig na guy.
And then here, I think nag-skating kami nito sa Allard wing lang namin. Acheo just probably just turned 6 years old here. So yan, meron pa siyang support pag sa skating. Oh, this one, I think this is a Horilac Park. The good part about dito sa Alberta is kahit na nag-snow, you still find like a lot of activities. Like this is number one, like skating and we do sledding. So yan. Oh, this is so beautiful. Yung
lakas ng snow.
Kita niyo yung snow. This is Horilac Park. So, kapag summer, this is like a lake. And then, kapag winter, since puno siya ng ice, tas kinis nila, and then people can go around there. Unfortunately, for like, videoing this like after 2 years, and they closed it after that, 2022. So,
You follow Kuya? Do you wanna follow Kuya? Where's Kuya?
Can go
Nagpapainit.
fireplace, and then there's ice niya. So it's like a really like a big park. And maganda siya pa.
Selena! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Under the
Yay!
And then we're back again. This is sa Allard Park, and then they're still playing paddles. I think this video is just like all combinations. This is like around the same year.
Selena!
You know, in Alberta,
Hi.
the weather is so weird.
Tayo,
So
hi.
nagtutunaw siya, and then magkakaroon na naman siya ng yellow. But this is like around first quarter of 2022. So, yeah. Yung park na yan, this park, yung Allard Park na ito, pag nilakan namin, it's like 15-20 minutes away, like mga 2 kilometers away sa bahay namin.
That's too deep
And
there!
this is their favorite spot. So, ilang beses ako nito talagang tipong naglalaban ng mga guys.
Who's George? And who's
And
Peppa?
then I'll just let them,
Selena's the Peppa. You're George?
experience nila yan.
Grabe.
That's fine. I think they're so happy just to play with the paddles.
That's too deep.
So, having each other. I'm so happy they have each other. And they just can play anytime they want. Just mga bloke talaga siya ng yelo. Kita nyo yung nagpo-float na yan. You know yung parang sa Titanic.
Oh my gosh.
There's like may mga bloke ng yelo. Tapos yung gloves niyang yan, hindi pinapasukan ng, I mean, ano siya para siya pag humawa ka sa water or dyan sa snow, hindi tatagos yung waterproof ba yun? Parang ganyan yung mga gloves na hawak nila. Pero of course, well, the same as yung mga snow pants nila. Pero syempre, mga napasukan na rin ng tubig yan. Kahit na mga naka-boots at saka naka-snow pants, may mga water na rin. And then this is garden namin. All paddles. They're so cute. They're so cute over here. Actually, nice. 2 years old.
Under na.
There's around 5 to 6 years old here. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.